So first of all, how to refer you? I mean, your name is not mentioned here. It's OM39.
Actually, actually, it's my I'm into a course, and they have set these names. They have made us set these names.
All
My
right.
name is Madan Son. My
Oh,
name is Madan Sontak.
all right. So first of all, very good afternoon. Hope you're having a wonderful day so far.
Yes, yes. I'm having a good day, and thanks for allowing me to have a conversation with you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you
Mhm.
for the opportunity as well because it's really wonderful to connect with the speakers and learners. So it's just amazing. I really like this part. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So
Same here. I really like to meet different people from different domain, and there is always something to learn from different people. Yeah, I always like that. Yeah.
indeed, of course, I cannot deny the fact that when you interact with the different speakers or with anyone, you will learn something. So no
Correct.
matter if your background is same, field, you will always end up learning something or the other once you interact with the people,
Right.
right?
Right, Priyanka. Right.
Okay.
Hmm.
So as it's our first opportunity to connect, Mr. Madan, would you mind giving your brief introduction?
Okay, okay, Priyanka. My good name is Madan Sontake, and I have completed my. I am from Maharashtra, Latur, and after that, I would like to add my educational background. I am from engineering background, and after completing my engineering, I have tried for government exams in which I didn't succeeded. Then I done my software course, software in testing course, and in software testing. Currently, I'm learning manual testing and automation testing as well. And yeah, I'm looking forward to improve my communication as well. Uh,
Mhm.
uh, in communication, the English knowledge is not more that much more important for me because the way I communicate and the way I am interacting with the people, that is more important for me to learn, and that is what I'm focusing on, Priyanka. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So that's really wonderful. I mean, there is so much in your plate. And the one thing I really like that you're always, in the process of upskilling yourself. So that is really
Right,
important
right.
because no matter what life throws at you, you should keep pushing, and you should keep trying your level best.
Yes,
All
yes.
right.
I tried my level best time. Yes, yes. Yes,
Okay.
yeah,
So
Priyanka.
let me come on my introduction, right?
Mhm.
Okay.
Yes, yes, Priyanka.
So, as you can see over the screen, I'm Priyanka Kushwa and I'm connecting to you from Madhya Pradesh. And if I talk about my education, so I'm in my master's second year of MBA with the specialization of marketing and finance. And as well as I'm running my YouTube channel, which is all about spoken English conversation. I connect with co learners and good speakers. And at present, I have regular learners too. So I just try to guide them what all I can. And when it comes to my hobbies, I like to read books, and dancing is also one of my hobby. So that's all about me, and I'm looking forward to our discussion today.
Okay, okay, yeah. That was a great introduction as well. And I would say that you rather than doing a regular MBA, you are trying to create something on your own at your means at your whatever you are doing at the master's level, and
Mhm.
in future you will be ahead of all those crowds. I hope you get the best out of it. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for your kind words, I must say. All
Yeah.
right. So before we dive into the conversation, may I know what all struggles, I mean, especially with the communication, because as you're here for the session, right? And what all struggles, I
Mm.
mean, do you face any problem with the speaking portion or any vocab section, grammar? What is something that bothers you in order to become, in order to convey your message confidently?
Uh, as you can see, Priyanka, I utter and I utter a lot. Actually, I need fillers also, and that I want to exclude from my conversation, and I
All
want
right.
to be little more fluent. And as I'm from Delhi, I have done my basic education from Delhi, so I feel I'm good in English, but since I'm not using it daily, it's not my daily activity. So I need more fillers and all those things are there, and that I want to exclude from my conversation. And I'm mostly focusing on how to interact with people, what to say, when to say, and all this I'm focusing on.
Mm-hmm. I mean, how to start a conversation, how to break the ice.
Right.
Okay. Okay. So basically, there are two factors which you are targeting. And I must say, I mean, first of all, you know the importance of filler words, like why we should use filler words. I know that you want to exclude from the like speaking, but still, what is the importance of filler words in English or
Mhm.
in any language for that matter?
No, I don't have any idea about that.
Just try, give it a guess, like why we need to use filler words. Not all the time, but at least sometime, no, like in rare cases, or to
Maybe,
just
maybe it is due to the fact that somebody needs time to think about the what he wants to convey, so he can use the filler words. Is it like that?
yeah, it's like that also. And I mean, filler words is really important because you are not, speaking like a robot or like a machine or something. So as a human being, you can take pauses, you can use filler words because that just, comes naturally to you. What I believe. I'm not an expert of, this language, but still on the behalf of my observance, what I can say that filler words are absolutely okay, but it should be in limits, right? Because exceeding your limits and like if you're using a lot, people say okay, yes, yes, many times a lot. So it's not, and also there is one more filler word people use a lot. And I think one of the celebrity was criticized because of using, I'm not sure exactly the
Okay.
name. It slept from my mind.
Mhm.
So yeah. So main thing here is that we are talking about the filler words and importance. So for me, filler words is okay because in that duration, in just a second or a mini second, you can say, you will get time to think, to construct your sentence. It's not like you have to speak without a break. Fluency is not about speaking fast. Fluency is all about how clear you are, how clear you are, addressing your message to the your audience or to the opponent. That's what I believe. And if you're using a lot, so that is, of course, that will just hamper your speaking skills. So make sure to reduce it. So that's my answer on this.
Okay. That's a good from this point. I will take note from it, and I will definitely try to use this point in my future communication. Right,
Yeah, and
whatever I
on the okay. So, I mean, that's completely normal. I mean, you cannot completely exclude it because otherwise you have to speak very fast. You can't take breaks, and it's not possible if you're not taking breaks and if you're not just not speaking with a pace. You will automatically lose the confidence while addressing your message, isn't it?
rhythm. You should be in rhythm to talk fluently.
Yeah.
Rhythm is required for that.
Yeah, exactly. The
You're
pace
correct.
of speaking. All right. So I think I hope I have answered your question. And the other thing that you were saying about like you want to upgrade yourself in order to like how to break the ice and how to start a conversation and how to just keep going. That is it.
Yeah. You're
So
correct.
in this regard, what you are doing and what sort of things that you have in your mind that you can try for this.
For breaking the ice, I can just have a little introduction about the person and about their background, and after that, with that background, I will try to connect with them from whatever background they are. For example, if I will talk with a housewife, then I will try to connect with her related to kitchen and all those food stuff. I can connect with
Only
her,
kitchen?
and
This is not fair.
I
Only
no
kitchen, Mr. Madan.
if she is a housewife and she must be cooking, then I will be
Mhm.
try to connect with her in that way.
Okay. So,
It's not only the kitchen, but I will start from there
yeah, because at present time,
because
women and girls are doing really well to just, they are, I can say, they are tagged as a multitasker and they can really good at managing.
no, it is not like that. I found out that yes, I found out that few men can cook better, but most of the men can't. But in most of the scenarios, women are cooking better than men. I found it. I found that, and I really appreciate the things the things are going the way.
Okay, okay. Well, I got it, what you want to convey. But the thing is that, I mean, it's a skill, right? And yeah, comparison to the,
Yeah,
you're
it's a skill.
talking about the ratio. So yeah, that is different. And I'm also not sure about
Mhm.
it because my cousins are also really good at cooking. And so I
Mhm.
cannot say that, girls and women's and men's and all. But yeah, this is a skill and anyone can master it. It depends on the interest. Well, I'm not into cooking. I don't like to cook. I really like to taste everything what is, my mother prepared delicious, delicious dishes.
You are
Because
just like me.
it
You
takes
are
too
just
much
like me.
time, right? In order to eat
Right,
10
right.
minutes, you have to cook for 2 hours or 3 hours, something like that.
No, it is not that. If you are cooking something delicious or something extraordinary, not only it takes time, it is also a skill. To, for example, if you are making something sweet, how much sugar you should add, that is also a skill.
Yeah, and if ratio is mismatches, you will have to, face the
Uh,
consequence of it. All right. Other than that,
right.
uh, may I know about your hobbies? What sort of hobbies you have?
I will talk about my current habits. Currently, I'm focusing on. I'm watching more and more conversational videos, and that will help me to improve my conversation. And I'm also looking out for my technical skill, which can help me to get a better job and to have all those things in my resume will obviously land. I will land up in a good job. That's how I'm focused. Daily I'm practicing different means the skills are same, but I'm trying it differently so that I will be able to tackle all those when I will join a job.
Exactly. Well, I forgot to add on one thing which we were talking about, that how to, like how to break the ice of the conversation. So you were sharing that I should, I will ask questions regarding to the person's background. Well, it is really good thing. And the main thing, what I observed so far, that, you should be involved in the conversation. Plus, how much you are interested in that conversation, that automatically shows when you ask cross question regarding their skill, maybe their passion, or about their life routine habits. Automatically you will break the ice, and you should keep asking question, and if they are interested, automatically the conversation will be fabulous, isn't it?
Yeah. You are correct. You are correct, Priyanka. I will try to do that. Yeah, you're
Okay.
correct on that. On that note, you're correct. Yeah,
Yeah. So
yeah.
anything at last that you want to ask, because I'm done with my questions.
I just want to ask about yourself. Other than doing MBA, what are your goals and how you look your life? That I just want to know.
Okay. Well, this is a tricky one. I mean, I have planned so many things, but let's see what, how things will work. But still, if I talk about my future, so I'm looking for job as well. I just want to, jump into the corporate world to just see how it works. and I also want to upskill myself in that. Plus, I want to do, I just continue here as well on my YouTube, because this is something I don't have to, listen motivational videos in this regard to come up with a video and to, talk with people. It just, very amazing thing. So, and yeah, let's see what things, inspires me. And if something is there, I'll definitely would go for that as well.
Okay, okay. With YouTube, you will continue with the YouTube, and
Yes.
whatever comes to your basket, you will try to achieve that.
Yeah. If something is in my interest. Yeah. So that
Yeah,
should be
yeah.
it.
If something is in your interest, yeah,
And
yeah,
it
yeah.
should
That is
compensate with
correct.
my skills and with my knowledge. Definitely, I will go for it.
Yeah, yeah. That sounds nice. That sounds great. And I would just like to know, are you from an engineering background or from business? What bachelor's you have done?
I have done BBA, Bachelor of Business
Okay, okay. You are
Administration
from
with finance. My specialization was
Okay,
finance,
okay.
and
That's good.
now I'm in my MBA and with the specialization of finance and marketing. So yeah.
Okay, okay, Priyanka. That's good. That sounds nice. Okay.
All right.
Okay, it was a good, yeah.
Okay, so let's wind up the session. Well, it was really wonderful talking with you, Mr. Madan, and wish you all the very best for your future. And as you're looking for jobs, so hope, God bless you. You will get a very good placement. You can say job very soon. And other than that, I mean, it was fabulous. Thank you for sharing your insights today.
Give me a feedback. How much you will rate me out of 5, and what things I should change?
Okay, basically,
What things you do? Hmm.
One
Yeah,
thing
yeah.
what I
You
observe,
go on.
I'm not good at rating because I believe that it's not, like I don't want to just tag or put a category on any, because it will just fit in your mind for always. So I don't want to say that. But the one thing I can say, focus on the clarity instead of fluency, because you have, this mindset because of your concerns when you were sharing that I want to just exclude, filler words. I just want to be, like on the point. But you should speak naturally with the expression. Like if I'll say I'm really happy today, so it should show in my body, in my eyes, and the way I speak. It's not like I'm happy today. You will feel like different. So with expressions and
Yes, yes.
yeah, focus on the clarity instead of fluency, because fluency will fall in place once you focus on clarity. That's all.
Okay, okay. Thank you for your feedback, Priyanka. And I'm hoping to catch you in sooner or later. And
Yeah.
let's look forward for it.